knew today was going to be a hard game. We prepped all week for them to come at us, and it to be one of the highest running games that we'd clock out. We didn't obviously envision going 3-1 down. We had a bit of a team talk at half-time that said we need to dig deep here and try and get something back. We've done it against these lot more than once before, and so we really truly believe we could do it again. Once we got the second goal back in, it was more like, okay, let's get this going. Just wanted longer. We just wanted more time, and we really truly believe we could have won this game, and that's the more gutting thing, is it feels like kind of hard done by, even though it's a 3-3.
Mikey, a 3-3 draw for you at the end here today. Are you frustrated with that?
I think we're really frustrated. I think the girls said at the end that if we came here today and came away with a point, we may have been happy about it, but with the way that we played and the goals that we scored and the performance that we put in, we deserved much more than that. We deserved 3 points, but we've made 3 mistakes, and when you've got a side of Cardiff's quality, they're going to punish them. So, credit to Cardiff for staying in the game, but I thought we were outstanding, and with 3 points today wouldn't have flattered us at all.
I think in the grand scheme of things, being 3-1 down, you're always happy to get a point. Disappointed we were in that position to begin with. We didn't really manage the transition as well as we thought we would, the defensive transition, and they had 3 shots and 3 goals, and they're a really good side, and they got some good players. So yeah, overall you take a point being in that position, but disappointed we were there in the first place.
4 games left now in this first half of the season, and your aim to get into that top 4, obviously. What do you need to do to make sure you're in that top 4?
To be honest with you, just carry on how we're doing. I think we're really putting the top 2, top 3 to the test when we're playing against them. So just carry on what we're doing, but make sure that we're clinical both sides of the pitch.